So here's how I use the digital order tracker form using Google Forms. When I am at a pop-up shop or some type of event where I have to take customer orders on the go or just really quickly, I can use a simple Google form, which will also produce a very organized spreadsheet with all of my customer orders and their products, shipping information, everything. So, when you get the digital order tracker form, you will see the instructions listed at the top. You can edit the information on the form, and I'll show you that after I show you how to fill in the form. So when you get the form, you will have basic customer information like first name, last name, street address, city, state, zip code. Once you're done with the customer information, then you fill in their orders. List your items here when you receive your form for whatever you sell, and then just check off whatever the items are that the customer is purchasing or are purchasing. Here you get to choose how many of those items they are choosing. If sizing is appropriate for your business, you can also select the sizes, the date that the order was placed, the shipping cost, if the customer paid or has not paid yet, if the item was a gift or a giveaway item. And the tracking number. Once you've shipped off the item, you can list the tracking number here, as well as the ship date. So if the customer has any shipping delays, you will have all of their information, including their tracking number and the date that you shipped the item on one form. So here's how you complete the form. Okay, so we put first name, last name, street address. Just making something up. Knickerbocker Lane in New Hampshire, we'll say. New London, Connecticut. I don't know the zip code. 1, 2. And let's say they just ordered this and 2 of them in a size large. What date that they order, you click the calendar and it pops up right here. They ordered it today. How much does the shipping cost? Let's say the USPS flat rate of $7.95, and you don't have to put the monetary symbol there. Yes, they paid me. Tracking number, because who's going to remember that? The date that I shipped it is today because they ordered it right on time. Once you click submit, the order goes in and you can go back and submit another response. So it just keeps popping up like this as you're at the pop-up shop, and you can continue to take people's orders. You can check the responses tab, and then when you go home, you can get ready to ship. So once you collect your orders on the tracker form, you come back to the edited screen and click on responses. To see it on a complete spreadsheet, click this green and white square all the way in the upper right-hand corner. And here you go, the spreadsheet already done for you. All you had to do was fill in the Google form with the customer's information. Once you click on responses after submitting their info, you have a column for the first name, a column for last names, street address, city, state, zip code, product and item, the quantity that the customer ordered, and the sizing. Now imagine this entire spreadsheet completely full. In order to edit your copy, you come back to the questions tab and you would click here to edit your business name. You would click here to change the topics or the categories. And you would click here to update the names of the items that you sell. For more information, contact